hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you are not subscribed watching this video, make sure you do. I have a massive giveaway coming within the next 4 weeks, so if you aren't subscribed, now is your time to do so. In today's video, I am so excited to finally be filming this video. I am going to be going through the entire LUSH Easter range, and I bought everything, and when I say everything, I literally bought everything. So I'm so excited to be going through this. This has been sat in my room for about a week now, and you have no idea how hard it's been to not open this and smell everything, and I am so excited. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So the first item is the Fluffy Egg Bath Bomb. Now I thought this was going to be about half the size, so I'm so excited that it's bigger. It's actually quite weighty as well, but it's half pink, half blue, and has some really beautiful sea salt crystal design on the front. I love that. Scent wise, this is interesting. I thought this would smell like Snow Fairy, but it doesn't. This smells really lemony. It smells like Avo Bath. It's got a very lemongrassy kind of vibe to it. That's so good though. Price wise, this one is £4.95 and it includes sea salt, vetiver oil and lemon oil, so it is really fresh, but I love that. Such a clean scent. I again did think this would smell like Snow Fairy, but I am really happy that you've got a really nice zingy item in this range. Oh, that's so good. I wish I bought more than one, but never mind. Next up, we have the Singing Daffodil Bubble Bar. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. This one, it does cost £4.50, and I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot smaller than I initially thought, only because I thought it would be, I don't know, maybe a bit thicker. It is relatively on the thin side, but this one is very floral. It's full of ylang ylang oil, so it has got a really floral, earthy kind of scent to it. I don't know. It is very floral. Shall I say floral one more time? It's floral. This is one of those bubble bars that you're supposed to put in the water and use as a bubble blower, but I don't tend to do that, to be honest, but this smells really good, and it is in the shape of a daffodil, which is very spring-like. Oh, I love that. Question, do daffodils grow everywhere around the world, or is it just in England that we have daffodils a lot? Is that a stupid question? I don't know. I feel like in America, do you guys get daffodils? Let me know. This one does smell really good. Again, it's very floral, but I do wish it was a little bit thicker, just because it did cost £5 pretty much, and I feel like, I don't know, maybe you could get a good few baths out of this. Like, you could definitely cut this in like 6 pieces, but depends on how many bubbles you like, you know? But yeah, this one is really good. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. But that's the only criticism I have. It smells amazing, it looks amazing, so can't complain. Next up, we have the Golden Egg, which is a bath bomb slash bath melt. Now this one we have had many years, however this time it has got rid of all that thick glitter. Now I don't know about you, I really didn't like the glitter. It was a little bit too much for me, whereas this one has a luster, so it won't stick to your skin as easy, and it's just not going to make the bath as messy. The only thing with this I have criticism on is that it is definitely a lot smaller than it used to be, and that kind of really bothers me because it's about the same price. It did cost £4.95 and I have paid £4.95 before, so that's my only criticism with this. I hate it when they make things smaller for the same price. It really annoys me, but other than that, smells exactly the same. It's got a very caramelly, biscuit, toffee kind of vibe to it. Apparently this one is now pink in the middle though, which is really exciting, because usually it does just go yellow, so that's quite nice. Inside this one you have coconut oil, bergamot oil and orange oil, so it is really creamy. It has definitely got an orangey undertone, like a chocolate orange kind of vibe to it, but yeah, I love this one. The only issue I have, again, is very small. I don't know what Lush are doing. They're like making all their products really small, but that one does smell really good. Next up, we have the Easter soap, and this is the Muddy Carrots soap. It's £5.50 for 100 grams, which is the amount I have here. And this one, okay, I don't like earthy scents, and this slightly reminds me, hang on, I've nailed this. This is a mixture of carrot soap and that old soap that we used to have. What was it called? It used to have like moss on it. Oh, that's gonna really annoy me now. It was like brown and it had bits of moss on it. I don't know if I love it. Like, I will use it because it has definitely got a more fruity undertone. What ingredients are in this? So this has a fresh carrot infusion, Rasul mud, which I think is what that other soap had that made it smell like dirt. Not my favourite. Sandalwood oil and grapefruit oil. You can definitely smell the grapefruit. It's got a really kind of strong zingy scent to it, but you can also smell that muddy stuff, and I just don't know if I like it, but I probably wouldn't purchase this again. However, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. So I will use it, but yeah, it's okay. Next up we have the Follow the White Rabbit Bath Bomb, and now I love this because firstly it is inspired by Alice in Wonderland, which is one of my all-time favourite Disney films apart from The Little Mermaid, and secondly it smells like carrot soap, which I'm a massive fan of scent wise. It's so lovely. It's like fresh, citrusy, amazing. The only thing with this I don't like is they basically copied the design from Christmas of the snowman, and I get that it's gonna look really cute in the water, but I feel like it's really unoriginal, and I feel like I have the bath bomb from Christmas and I didn't need to buy this, but it smells different, so that's a plus. So this one is £3.50 and it has cornstarch, lemon oil and bergamot oil, so it is a carrot family product, and it smells fresh, clean, not really like carrots, but yeah, smells amazing, looks amazing, and it's definitely a more affordable bath bomb compared to a lot of the others, so I would recommend it. I really like that one. The next item is the item which took the longest to come on the website, and I refused to put my order through until I had everything in my basket, and that is the Funfetti Cake lip scrub. Now every time I buy a lip scrub I say to myself, you don't need another lip scrub, because I own about 10 and they do go out of date, but I really wanted to get this one because it is Funfetti Cake flavour. Now I don't know about you, but I've never had Funfetti Cake. I don't know where you can get Funfetti Cake from, but this just looked adorable. And now I'll show you the inside. It's multicoloured, it has sprinkles in it. Oh, what is that? That smells unreal. This one has caster sugar, jojoba oil, vanilla absolute and multi-coloured sprinkles, and I'm gonna taste test this because I feel like I have to. It's definitely a harder consistency, like it's not, I wouldn't say it's as crumbly as say like the bubblegum lip scrubs. It's got a bit more of a denser feel. That tastes like something that we have. That tastes, what is that? This tastes like a UK sweet, kind of like fruit salad sweets. Oh my god. I'm gonna say it, that is my favourite lip scrub so far. I went on and on about the toffee apple lip scrub and how amazing that was, but guys, I'm telling you, if you want anything from this collection, this is amazing. It's £6.50, so it's the same price as all the other lip scrubs, but this tastes exactly like fruit salad sweets that you buy in the UK, and oh my god, it's got like an aftertaste of cake. That's amazing. I might have to buy another one. That's so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, honestly. Amazing. The next item is the Walter Bunny body polish. Now I actually thought this was similar to the shimmy shimmy massage bar that we used to have, however you actually use this in the shower, so I'm really glad I bought this. This one costs £8 and it smells, what is that? Like chocolate. Oh, that smells like hot cross buns. That smells like hot cross buns. Maybe it's not supposed to smell like hot cross buns, but guys, please tell me if you've bought this or smelt it. Do you think it smells like hot cross buns? I'm gonna put it down because it's literally melting in my hands. As you can see, my fingers are now brown, but that literally smells like a hot cross bun. I love that. I'm shook. I did not know it smelled like hot cross buns. Price wise, that one is £8. I'm not sure whether I said that, but ingredients wise, we have muru butter, cocoa butter, vanilla absolute and maize flour, which is what is the exfoliant in it, but that smells amazing. Wow. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. I'm mind blown. I love that. That is amazing. The next item is the second soap for Easter. Now I'm not gonna lie, I definitely forgot there were 2 soaps for Easter this year, and this is the Avo Good Easter soap. Now you do actually get 2 pieces of soap with this, which I think is great if you want to share it with someone. I feel like you definitely don't need to buy this whole thing for yourself because it is a lot of soap. However, this smells, oh amazing, looks like eyes. This smells like avocado co-wash, which smells amazing. Like Twister ice lollies. Oh, that's so good. This one does cost £9. It is quite expensive, but you do get 2 pieces of soap with it, so it is kind of worth it. And I guess if that bit comes out as well, you have 3. But that smells delish. And it's like an avocado. That's so nice. Ingredients wise, this one has avocado oil, bergamot oil, coconut oil and olibanum oil. But it smells exactly like avocado co-wash, which is a fresh, limey, fruity, yummy smell. I love that. Oh, 10 out of 10. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, when we first started filming this video, I felt a little bit disheartened by the collection, but actually it's looking good so far. We are picking up. The next item is another bath bomb, and that is the Owl and the Pussycat bath bomb. Now this is obviously based on the nursery rhyme / story, and this is so cute. So when you get this, it actually comes separate. So you have the pussycat, the boat and the owl, and I just think this is adorable. What does that smell like? That smells like something we've had before. I can't pinpoint it. Price wise, this is $5.95, which I think is actually really good because you technically have 3 bath bombs in this. Obviously you can use all in one and you can let them swim across the water in their boat, but I'll probably separate them and use them as 3 single bath bombs because I don't like to put too much in, you know. But that smells amazing. Ingredients wise, this has agar, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is a softening agent, pea husk powder. Oh, so this is made from pea pods. Wow, that's so cool. It also has carrageenan extract and gardenia extract, so it has got a very floral scent, but we've had that scent before and I can't pinpoint it. Let me know what this smells like, please. It's gonna bother me all day now, but that smells amazing. I love that. Yeah, 10 out of 10. The next item is the Humpty Dumpty bath bomb. Now we have had Humpty bath bombs in the past, however this is my favourite style because it's all in one. It has got a bath bomb inside, which I'm not going to ruin if you haven't seen it, but it's so cute. That smells really good. What is that? I've smelled that before, but I can't pinpoint what that is. Price wise, this one is £6.50 and it has bergamot and orange oil in it, so it is really fruity, but there's definitely something else in there. I'm gonna look at the ingredients. It's got like a slight licoricey smell, but there's not any licorice in it, so I'm not really sure what that is, but that smells really good. I love that. I've got a lot of bath bomb in my nose now and I can't breathe, but amazing. And last but not least is the Eggy Weg bath bomb. Now this bath bomb is $4.95 and I believe it was based off of the film Clockwork Orange, which is definitely an 18+ film. If you're under 18, I wouldn't watch it. And if you don't like disturbing films, don't watch it. But that smells really good. This one has lemon oil and spearmint oil, and it kind of smells like the Ladybird Bubble Bar, but not exactly the same. But I love that. This time, the eggs are not bath melts either. They are bath bombs, so similar to the Mother's Day one with the clouds in. But I love that. 10 out of 10. Yeah, Lush, you've definitely come through. That smells amazing. So that is everything for the Lush Easter range for 2021. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and let me know down below what product you loved the most out of this collection. I would have to say my favourite was definitely the Funfetti Cake lip scrub because this smells and tastes unbelievable. So if you're going to buy anything, buy this, I promise. If you're not already, please don't forget to subscribe because like I said, we are doing a massive giveaway on this channel very soon. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!